Insurance costs can be classified as either fixed or variable depending on the nature of the insurance and how it is structured. Fixed cost. Some types of insurance are considered fixed costs because they remain relatively constant regardless of the level of business activity. For example, property insurance for a business or homeowner's insurance for an individual is often a fixed cost. The premium is typically set for a specific period, e.g., annually, and does not change based on the volume of business or the number of claims filed during that period. Variable costs. On the other hand, certain types of insurance may be considered variable costs. For instance, health insurance premiums for employees in a business may vary based on factors such as the number of employees covered, their ages, and the level of coverage selected. The cost may change as these variables change. Semi-variable cost. There are also cases where insurance costs exhibit characteristics of both fixed and variable costs, making them semi-variable. For instance, auto insurance premiums may have a fixed component, e.g., a base rate, and a variable component that depends on factors like the number of vehicles insured, driving history, and coverage levels. In summary, whether insurance is considered a fixed, variable, or semi-variable cost depends on the specific type of insurance and the terms of the policy. In general, insurance can be considered a fixed cost. This means that the premium you pay for your insurance policy typically remains the same regardless of how much you use the coverage or how often you file claims. This is unlike variable costs, which fluctuate based on your usage like groceries or electricity. However, there are some nuances to consider. Your premium may change over time for various reasons, like changes in your risk profile, the overall cost of coverage, or if you make adjustments to your policy, such as adding or removing coverages. While the premium itself is a fixed cost, the amount you actually pay out of pocket for services or claims could vary depending on your deductible and copay amounts. Some types of insurance, like usage-based car insurance, may have variable components based on your driving habits or mileage. Therefore, while it's generally accurate to say that insurance is a fixed cost, it's important to be aware of these potential variations and how they might affect your individual situation.